Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up my Fab Fit Fun box to see what we got. I'm so excited about this box. It's very, very wintry. Blues, whites, silver, totally a winter wonderland. But let me show you the rest of this box. Just look at that. I think at the mail they might have thrown it around or something, I don't know. But I'm really excited to see what we got, so let's just go ahead and dive in. I got my handy dandy scissors. Wow! Look at the beautiful design. When you open it, it just screams winter. Alright, let's get rid of that. Ooh! So the front page is a very beautiful model here. It's Katie Couric. I don't know who she is, but I will look into it. But as always, like this always shows you what you got and how much it retails for. And I love this magazine because it always has little tips and tricks. So I see a lot of goodies in here, and the first thing that I see is this touch highlight mirror. You guys, I'm so excited. This mirror features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. It's called the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror, and it retails for $45. Hey, that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and put this back here. So the next thing I see, it looks like it's a lot of skincare items. So this is the Tea Seed Elixir Balancing Beauty Oil. Ooh. It looks like it is, ooh, I needed something like this. My face is very, very dry. This is called the Lolly Beauty Tea Seed Elixir. This multitasking serum nourishes the skin and hair with organic tea seed, flaxseed, and apricot oils. And it retails for $42. Whew. That's nice. The next thing that I see is this Get Well Nail Recovery London Town Nourishment. And let's open it up. London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. Nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. And it retails for $20. Next thing that I see is this Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. It's called the Daily Concepts. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. And this retails for $20. Next, I see this Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Ooh, I don't see that on here. It might be a freebie. You know, I think it is. Oh, no. It is the Paradox Lucky Star Blemish Patches. Pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches. And this retails for $18. Cool. I like the holographic. If you guys see my page, I've been doing a lot of holographic stuff. I love it. I don't know, I just do. Again, this retails for $18. It's pretty good. Next, I see this Pore Purifying Cleanser by Pores No More. And this is the Dr. Brandt Skincare. Remove makeup, residue, and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores. And this retails for $36. I've noticed that my pores get really clogged up lately, so this is gonna be pretty interesting to use. I was actually looking for a microdermabrasion, but it looks like they don't sell that anymore. I can't find it in any stores. It has like the very fine grains of sand and you can exfoliate, so hey, maybe we don't need to do that. I don't know, but I'm gonna try that out. So this one retails again for $36. Have the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask, and this retails for $39. Hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid. Cool. It says, after cleansing and when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It will absorb while you relax or sleep. No need to rinse off, just massage into skin. Next, I see this Kind Thins dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt, and it's 90 calories. I see these at the gas station a lot. I know that granola bars are really good for you. This only has 4 grams of sugar. It's gluten-free and no genetically engineered ingredients. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. It's real good. You know how some granola bars are like really chewy and they hurt like to chew on them? It's not like that. It's really good. I like this. So these are good to just pop in your purse, and you can, like, if you have like a long appointment or anything, really good. I like it. All right, and I think that's it. Oh, what is? Hang on. I see one last thing. It's a cutting board. What? A cutting board. It's a set of 4. Hang on. It says it's called the E-Pair cutting board. Each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. This retails for $19.95. Sweet. So pretty. Oh yeah, it does have that non-stick gripping thing. Sweet. I like that. I've never gotten cutting boards on FabFitFun. See, that's the thing I like about FabFitFun is they send you a lot of different stuff, not just makeup, not just fitness, not just household. I've gotten blankets, I've gotten pillows, I've gotten a lot of stuff out of FabFitFun. I think this is my 2nd year already with them. I really like their stuff. Alright guys, that is everything that I got on my FabFitFun box for winter. I'm really excited about this month. It was really nice. I got a lot of skincare stuff, so I'm excited to try all of that. I've been going through a lot right now. If you guys have been following my page on Instagram, I told you guys that I, as well as my husband, tested positive for coronavirus, and I'm sure our son has it too. It's been a week and a day or something that we've been through it. No, tomorrow will be a week and a day, and it's been crazy. It's been a journey, but I'm so thankful that it didn't hit us as hard as I've heard it hit a lot of people. This is definitely not something that you want to mess with. It obviously hits people differently. My husband has diabetes, so that makes him high risk, but this virus has not affected him much. He got a little bit of body aches and headaches and no fever though, and he's been pretty good. I don't know if it's the fact that he is always like active, walking, he's always outside working. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but for me, on the other hand, it hit me a little bit more different. I got a lot of nausea, I had vomiting, I had diarrhea. TMI, I know, but it's the reality of things. I had a lot of headaches, a lot of nasal congestion. I lost my sense of smell, which I regained after 3 days using aromatherapy with my doTERRA oils. If you don't use oils, you guys gotta do it. Trust me, I believe 100% in oils. There's people that lost their sense of smell and they still haven't gotten it back after a month. So definitely I know my oils work, and they are a God-given gift to this earth, you know. But yeah, I'm doing a lot better. Levi, he only got like post-nasal drip and cough, but he's been doing good. I'm so glad that God has taken care of us. There are days where I experience anxiety and I feel it in my chest, like tightness, but I know that that's just anxiety. Yeah, I'm just happy to be okay and healthy, and I pray health and blessings over your life in this new year, and I hope that you guys are doing good. I love you guys. Just remember that you are fit for Christ no matter what. Love you guys.